Hey y'all, come watch me make what I like to call my When I Am in Need of Support card deck. Here's what you'll need: plain game cards, magazines, paper of your choice, scissors, markers of some kind, a glue stick, any extra decor you may want, and a list of motivations, affirmations, or gentle reminders that you may need throughout your day. Let's get started. Okay, and here is the final look. This is what your card deck would look like once you are finished. And I did use a book ring for this, however, you don't necessarily have to use that. You can use string and or fabric. But this is a mini card deck that is designed specifically for you. This deck is small enough to carry in like your purse or your book bag or like a bag, but they are powerful enough to make you smile. And whenever you need a quick pick-me-up, look over the cards that you made and remember why you made them. Currently, right now, I'm a graduate student studying art therapy, so if you would like for me to post more tutorials on any art directives or art experientials I do, comment down below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this.